Today we'll be talking about Volkswagen Golf. I'll show you how to reset tire pressure light. And this one's Golf TDI, but it can be either one. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That will help a bunch to grow and post more videos like this. So to reset the tire pressure light, some cars have it under the steering wheel, some might have somewhere else, but this specific car, Volkswagen, it has inside the dash glove department. So when you open it, there's actually instructions right here. It shows what to do. It says press at least 2 seconds, but not more than 30 seconds. And the button sometimes it's kind of hard to find, but this one's is located right in here. I don't know if you can see, right in here. It says tire pressure right in here. And how to reset it, what you want to do first. So what you want to do is put the key in. Either you can go to this position, or you can even start the car, whatever you prefer. I'll just leave mine here where all the lights light up, or you can start the car, either way you want. And then you go here and you press and hold this button right here. While you press and hold, the tire mark will, mine's not on right now, but yours might be on since you have that problem. It's gonna be lit, and when it makes that noise, ding, and it disappears, and then you can let go. And that's how you reset the tire pressure light. You might want to hold it for about maybe 3 to 6 seconds, and that's how you reset it. Comment below if you want to see more stuff about this car. Let me know. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.